Hi guys, Nikki here again with Life Seasons. This week, we're going to spend some time talking about immunity, and more specifically, the Clinical Immunity Line from Life Seasons. So buckle up because we are going to be doing some deep diving into some science lessons. So you might have noticed clinical immunity being on the shelf, but what makes it so special? What makes it different than any of the other hundreds of immunity products on the shelf? Listen, I get it. There's a lot to choose from with so many companies saying they are the best. But just trust me on this one. So your customer walks into the department and asks for something to support their immune system. But what does that actually mean? Support the immune system. We've heard that, but what does it mean? So there are 5 main immune cells that your body needs in order to fight invaders. First, you have your neutrophils and your macrophages. Think of these guys as your Pac-Man. It's going to go in the body and eats what's ever dead, destroyed, or doesn't belong. Then you have your B cells and your T cells. Think of these guys as your soldiers. They're going to go in and fight off invaders. And lastly, you have your natural killer cells. So think of these guys as your Terminator or Sniper. They're going to go in and find infected cells and kill it. So now that you have a basic understanding of these cells, where does that leave us? So Life Seasons Clinical Immunity Line provides clinical doses of actives that are shown to stimulate neutrophils, macrophages, B cells, T cells, and natural killer cells. And it does all of this within 2 hours. So talk about instant gratification. So the Quick Start formula has proven to stimulate these cells within those 2 hours. Now, clinical immunity has not only been clinically studied with successful results, but it's also won 3 major awards, including Best Supplement of the Year in 2021. So let's dive into the formulas. You first have your gummies and your drink mix for individuals who can't or won't take capsules. They're absolutely delicious, stacked with vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and elderberry. The drink mix can also be dissolved in hot or cold water. Then you have the meat and potatoes of the Clinical Immunity Line, Daily Boost and Quick Start. So Quick Start is going to be your 10-day ultimate support. You begin with this bottle and then transition to the Daily Boost. So Quick Start has award-winning ingredients like Epicor, Naturimune, Pureway C. You'll even find Bacillus coagulans, which is a spore-forming probiotic. And lastly, the core 4, vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc, and elderberry. All in true Life Seasons fashion at therapeutic doses and the best and most absorbable forms. So once you finish the Quick Start, you move over to Daily Boost. So think of that as your second phase of your immune boosting support. I know that's a lot to take in, guys, but I hope this helped, and I will talk with you all soon. Take care.